Holy goddamn, it's Negroni week. Yes, it's that time of year again when we celebrate all things Negroni. Now, if you're celebrating Negroni week or you just want Negronis this week, don't make them on the fly, pre-batch them. So, I'm going to show you how to pre-batch my personal favorite recipe right now. To get a bottle, get a funnel. So we're going to measure 1 cup of gin, 1 cup of Økar Bitter, and 1 cup of Unico Yuzu. Now, you can literally seal this up and put it directly in the fridge if you want. However, what I like to do is I like to pre-dilute my Negroni. So that way, you literally just get some ice and you pour this bad boy over the top. No need for stirring or anything. I like to take 1/3 of a cup of water and add it to the entire batch. Now, you just take this bad boy, chuck it in the fridge, and anytime you want some Negroni magic, it's right there. Peace.